Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. In this video, we are going to learn to create a free blog on Blogger. We'll go to blogger.com and click on create your blog. Now we can choose the account we want to use to create the blog. Okay, I have already given my password, so this page will be displayed and we have to give our display name. So for example, I'll give the name as Nursery to Varsity. And we can see that our account is created. Now we'll go to create new blog and give the title of our blog. We'll give the address and this is going to be our subdomain. We'll choose a theme and create blog. And as we can see that our blog is also created. Now to post something, we'll go to create a new post. And now you can write your post over here. I'll show you one example. Now if you want to add any image, you can go to this Insert image option, choose files, you can select the image, add selected. So our post is created, it's done. And now publish. This is our post. We'll refresh the page. So here is our post. In this way, we can publish as many articles as we want. In the next video, we are going to learn to set the theme of our blog. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media handles. You can mail us your queries on nerdtowork@gmail.com. Till then, stay tuned.